How to remove soft subtitles from a video. To begin, I have this video with some embedded soft subtitles, and if I right-click on the player and go to Subtitle track, you can see 4 soft subtitles for this video. But how we can remove these soft subtitles from the video? In Subtitle Edit, go to Video tab and select Generate Video with Added or Removed Embedded Subtitles. Click on this 3 dots button and choose your video. Now Subtitle Edit lists all embedded subtitles. Select the subtitles that you want to delete and click on Remove button to remove them. Then click on Generate button and click OK and set a name for it to create a new video without embedded subtitles. Now if I open Containing folder and open the generated video, and right-click and go to Subtitle track, I can see that there is no soft subtitle available. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.